So yesterday, when Olivia came home from school, she wanted something to eat. And I had to work, so I'm offering her everything in the world out of the freezer. She's like, no, Mom, I want some real food. We do get that way occasionally. We're just like everybody else. You know, we work, and sometimes we live out of the freezer, out of the cabinets, whatever we have to do to get a little bite to eat before work or after school, what have you. But I made her this massive omelet. It was massive, and I recorded it, so that'll probably be up before this video is up, but you have to check that one out. It's massive. And it looks so flippin' delicious that I decided that's all I thought about yesterday was that omelet. I couldn't make me one because I was getting ready to go to work, so I got me a little bit of onion and tomato, speak Sandy, cut up here, and I got some butter in my pan. I'm getting ready to make me one of those delicious omelets. I'm making me a 3-egg omelet. Look at that. Got 3 eggs in there. Got a nice, beautiful, thick strip steak laid out for Olivia because tonight's actually pizza night for us, and my husband's just run pizza in the ground. He thinks he has to have pizza at least once a week, and we just get tired of it. But I usually work every Thursday night, or at least 3 Thursday nights a month, so I don't really get to get pizza, but I'm kind of looking forward to pizza. But Olivia likes like, real food, so I'm gonna cook her that steak. I've already made some of my homemade dressing. I'll probably make her a baked potato so she can have steak salad and baked potato. But I am making me a beautiful, beautiful omelet. I hope you all are having a wonderful day on this nice chilly day out. It is so cold. I took a shower this morning. I really didn't want to. You know, I don't like to take a shower when it's cold, but I have to. I know we have to. Got to stay clean. But I am all dressed and ready for the day. I've been doing some cleaning, some heavy-duty cleaning that I haven't done in a while. Let's put some salt on that, and some pepper. Is that one opened? I need to get some salt and pepper for my pepper and salt grinders. I think I still have some salt, but I don't have any pepper. I gotta get some. I like that better. I like crushed, fresh crushed black pepper because the flavor is just so much better, don't you think? I am making my omelet, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my omelet. My dish towel just went on the floor. Let's focus in there a little bit. I have a technique when making my omelet. Nothing too hard, but I just kind of scrape the pan like that and kind of bring it forward. I don't know, it's just the way I've always done it. I'm going to put some cheese, 2 different kinds of cheese. Yeah, I've got some paper plates going on. This is going to be so good. I have a bad habit of when I'm putting stuff on my food, kind of blocking the way there. Look at that. I like onions on mine. I have some ham in there cut up, some little pieces of ham that I bought to go in a potato soup that I never made. But I don't really think that I want any of that ham. I'm going to turn this down. Actually, I'm going to turn it off now because my egg is done. Look at that. Load it with some cheese. And I also like to use a piece of American. I like to use both. I like all the flavors of the world. Oh, I almost forgot the important ingredient, hot sauce. Gotta put some hot sauce in that. Not a whole lot. I was gonna make me another cup of coffee this morning, but you know, I can't do caffeine. I get heart palpitations, and I usually have 1 cup of, look at that, that's gonna get big, and not as big as the one I made her yesterday, but it's, look at that. Gosh, it's so big. That's 3 eggs. I didn't imagine it was going to be that big, but you know what? I'm going to enjoy every bite of that. Don't fall out of there. I'm getting all that goodness. I don't believe in wasting a thing. Not a thing. Oh. Look at that. That's beautiful. You didn't think that I was not going to show you my omelet and make you watch me take a bite. I probably should put some more hot sauce on this. Look who else wants some omelet. Look who's always here, creeping up on my food. Look at my baby. Give mama kisses. Give mama kisses. She's like, no, just give me a bite of that omelet. No, you can't have the omelet. Oh, she's so pitiful. She's so pitiful. She don't get fed around here. I gotta show you a bite of this. You know what makes me happy? This makes me happy. Yummies. Girl, you better get back. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Be jealous. Be very jealous. I love it. I love it, Daisy May. I got some buns that I bought last week for the big snowstorm blizzard that we really didn't use. Got some hamburger and hot dog buns. I got those just in case we had to use the grill, you know. You know, nothing like grilling out in a blizzard, you know, 35, 45, 55 mile an hour winds, snow and ice. And yeah, we thought we were going to grill out if we had to, if we lost power. Not to spit on y'all. But I don't want those to go to waste, so what I like to do, those are starting to get a little bit hard right now. You know, money's money, right? Am I right? Or am I right? Because I usually end up throwing them away if we don't eat them. But when I fry hamburgers, my husband don't usually eat a hamburger on a bun. I do. My daughter does. I'm biting my lip. I'm spitting. I'm just off the chain today. But I am going to separate these, or not separate them. I'm just going to pull them apart and, well, if that is separating, right? Pull them apart. And I'm going to freeze them individually, like, you know, so we can just pull them out of the freezer. Like if I fry hamburgers or whatever. And because if you, because I'm going to spit, bite my lip, and stutter. It's going to be a good day. What I was trying to say is the hot sauce make my nose run. You can't just pop them in the freezer like this. I'm trying to spit it out. You can't pop them in the freezer like this because they're going to get all freezer burnt and ice crystals are going to be form on the inside and it just won't be good. So I'm going to wrap each one of them individually. I probably won't do all of them. I probably will throw some of them away, but I'll probably do about 3 or 4. About 4. Toss the rest of them outside for the birds. But I'm going to wrap them in some saran wrap and then put them in, you know, like a quart-sized plastic bag. So that way we can just pull one out. Because I usually toast my buns anyway if I fry hamburgers. Do y'all toast your buns? We like our buns toasted here. Well, I'm going to finish eating this while it's nice and hot. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. That's cruel, isn't it? Trust and believe, these dogs are fed like humans around here.